Hi, everyone. Today we are learning the phrase gross somebody out. It means to make someone feel disgusted or sick. You use it when something is really unpleasant. For example, bad smells or creepy bugs can gross you out. You can say, "That smell grossed me out." The phrase is informal and common in spoken English. You can say, "gross someone out" or "gross out someone." Both are correct. For example, "The dirty bathroom grossed me out," or "That video grossed me out." Be careful with grammar. Say "grossed me out," not "gross out me." It's usually used with feelings of disgust. You can use it with friends and family. Try to use it when you talk about something gross. Remember, gross somebody out is about making someone feel sick or uncomfortable. Now you can practice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.